welcome back. Before going this video, I would like to suggest you to go ahead with my basic of Python, which is used for the data engineering. So you should have some, what is variable, what is if, what is function file. I have explained with example in the other videos. Please go ahead this video series, then you will understand this code. Okay, basically here I'm in this example, I'm checking and I'm handling the null values with Python. So how to implement the code with the native Python? I have not used any external libraries here. With native Python module, we have implemented this library. For example, in Python, there is not a direct equivalent to null or null values found in language like JavaScript or Java. Python has a concept of null, which is used to represent the absence of value or null values. To handle null values null in Python, you can conditional statement. Okay, we can use conditional statements such as if or in isinstance function. Here example how to handle null values in Python. So guys, I just declare one variable with a null value equal to none. It check it if value is null, print the value is null. Else the value is not null. Okay. For example, this is the if condition. How we can check it. Same example with using isinstance function. If isinstance function value type none, then the type is I'm converting the type to type function. So isinstance function passing the argument value and type function none and print value is none. So else print the value is not null. Okay, same value is taking and it is printing that. So that is the reason the value first is given the value number because it's given none. And second also I'm checking that if isinstance value is none by passing the argument value this one type none. So print the value. Then I'm handling with help of function also. Definition, and this is the keyword define, handle null function value I'm passing. The value is null, return no value is provided. Return if no value provided, then we have to calculate value star into 2. Suppose I'm printing the handle none I'm printing output no value now, but again I'm giving the value 5. So it obviously it is giving the value for the 10. So this is the way to handle the null values in the Python using native code. Now I'm changing this value to right. Now let me execute this query. What will happen? So here the why because the value is there not null. So that is the reason it is giving this value. This is the output. The print value none, not null, and here the value is not null. No value provided. Obviously, it is only no value provided. This is the 10 is coming. For example, for providing. So the value is not the value. Okay. So if you want to handle using the type of variable, we can use Python. In another video, I will show you how to utilize with help of sample data set to check and to check whether how many null values are there in the data set. Okay. Thank you guys. Please subscribe my channel. I will try to upload more based on my free time.